Welcome back to KITT Racing, everybody. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. And the fun thing about this is most of these trucks are going to be in the next King of the Hill that I will be recording and posting by this weekend. This King of the Hill is going to be a little special, and I hope you all enjoy it. But real quick, let's go over some of these trucks I have for the next race. Most of these will be in the King of the Hill. I'm still waiting on a couple in the mail. Let's get this quick little video started. All right, first up, as you can tell, straight ahead there, I have the Smash Squad 5-pack. Some really cool castings in that one. And then you guys all know I love this Gravedigger Retro Edition 5-pack. There's some fast trucks in that one. All right, let's go over this box over here. Now this first one, I have to admit, my daughter helped me pick it out, and you'll see why. Sparkle Smash. It is a cool casting, I have to admit. Not quite my taste, but she likes it, and that makes me happy. That'll be in the next King of the Hill. Next up, we have the Avenger. I love the chrome wheels on it. I love the body, of course. I believe that's a 57 Chevy. Got a little alien on the top. I bet he's fast. Next one up will be the Monster Jam 25th Anniversary Crushstation. I like this all silver collection. Look at that. That is just a pretty cool casting. I think I showed you this from the Monster Jam Superstore. Son of a digger. He'll be in the next King of the Hill. Looking forward to this one. And we got this 2-pack coming up. Raphael and Leonardo, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's see how quick they are. These are pretty cool. Next two up I picked up at Walmart, the Zombie Hunter and the Zombie. We have Gravedigger and Son of a Digger. Really cool castings. I love the color combination, and some of these graphics are just amazing. Look at that. Look at the red skull on Gravedigger. Just awesome stuff. All right, I have a couple more of this series. Here, let's set these up. We have another combination of Zombie and Hunter, Earthshaker and Monster Mutt. Aren't those awesome? Just really cool, and they'll be fun to watch race down the track. I think that Earthshaker is pretty wicked. I like those gray tires on them. Got a little zombie slime back there. Next one in the King of the Hill is going to be Pirate's Curse. I think I showed you this in an earlier video. Awesome stuff. Next one. Next one up is a Zombie Invasion Mohawk Warrior. That is cool. I like his Mohawk back there. That is a cool truck. Be fun to watch him race too. This is another cool one I just picked up. The Batman Monster Truck. Isn't that sweet? Good grief, I just love it. Look, he's got a little jet back there. You know it's gonna make him extra fast. All right, and here's another one. From the Zombie Invasion Megalodon. Just love the colors on these guys. Be fun to have in my collection. All right, I thought this was a cool choice too. I have the Fire and Ice version of this. I don't have this one. It's pretty awesome. I love the green on green and yellow. Just a really wicked looking dragon. Perfect for my next King of the Hill theme. And we have another Mohawk Warrior, the Fire Edition. Just gonna be cool. Look at this. There we go. Look at that. Just cool. That is sweet. All right, next up is this Hot Wheels. I like that crushable car in there. The Mega Rex. Just kind of a cool casting. I like the blue tires, and I love that crushable car. I also have this 2-pack of the Hulk and the Spider-Man. Both are cool castings. I like to have a couple Marvel superheroes in the mix. Next up is this Hot Wheels Piranha. I think that is awesome. I just wonder if that jaw moves. I don't know, but that is awesome. Be kind of fun to watch him race. Here's some of the other monster trucks that were involved in this case. Really a cool set. Here's another one I'm looking forward to racing. The Ice Cream Man. He's very heavy, very wide. He has those chocolate tires. He's gonna be fast. He's gonna be real fast, I have a feeling. Next one up is the October. Looks really cool. I love all the blue on it. I think that's how you say it. I'm not quite sure what that... Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. I'm not sure how you say this. And another one we're gonna have in the race is this limited edition Halloween Pirate's Curse Ghost. Looking forward to racing this. It's really cool when I turn all these lights off. Those wheels glow. I got this from the Monster Jam Superstore. Really a cool casting. Here's two more. We'll trash it all. Awesome trash truck. Hope he's quick. Just kind of a cool and creative casting. Next up, we have the Demo Derby. I just love the tires on that. When they move, they make a cool pattern. And I got another crushable car. That's pretty cool. All right. I also picked up another 2-pack of the Scooby-Doo and the Mystery Machine. Tell you what, these are maybe my favorite cast. Just really cool stuff. All right, there it is. Now these are some of the trucks that are going to be in the next King of the Hill. I have a few surprises for you, and they'll be here in the mail in the next couple of days. I'll try to get out this next special King of the Hill this weekend. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of fun to record. Appreciate everybody for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit your subscribe button and give this video a like. I'd really appreciate it. I have an upcoming M-Case race, and I also ordered some more monster trucks from the Monster Jam Superstore we're going to unbox. Lots coming up. See you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.